What's going on, guys? Jason Brown here, master educator with the DCX Academy, a part of I Am Mastery Academy. For those of you guys who don't know me, I'm going to keep this very brief because we're here because you just got started with the DCX package or the DCX add-on. And I want to help you really maximize the features of this package and what it provides and how you can start crushing it in the cryptocurrency space. So I've been involved with the company now since November 19th of 2015. I knew nothing about trading, but I realized that this was the best place to go to start to learn the skill sets of trading. And really, what I loved the most was that the CEO, Christopher Terry, is a real trader. He's been trading now for over 25 years. This guy is the real deal. Actually, I think now it's over 30 years he's been trading. So this is a gentleman who actively trades crypto. He's actively invested in crypto, and he's been a tremendous mentor for me and all the individuals on the DCX package. But when I got started, guys, I knew nothing, and I just focused. And I took it day by day. I was patient. And what I want to tell you guys is you're starting this journey. This isn't a race. It's a marathon, and you have to pace yourself. So number one, set a vision in place for what you want. I tell people to set 6 goals, right? You're going to set a 1-month goal that you're going to keep recycling every month. You're going to have a new goal for that month, but you want to have 2 variations of that goal. You want to have a target goal and a reach goal. So like the target goal would be the floor, right? Worst case scenario, this is what I get done. If I think about reaching for something, this is my reach goal. It's a little more aggressive. And it's going to push me outside of my comfort zone, right? So 2 goals, a target and a reach for your 30 days, a target and a reach for 90 days, and then a target and a reach for the long-term future. 2 to 3 years down the road, where do you want to be? What type of income do you want to be making? What percentage do you want to target per day? How much do you want in your crypto portfolio? Where do you want to live? Like, think about these things because they get so important to have some goals and a vision laid down. Now, you also want to think about why you're doing this, right? If you're just doing this for money, I promise at some point you might get so discouraged that you're not going to continue. So I always tell people, just think about why. Why do you want to create income through trading? Why do you want to create freedom through trading? Why do you want to become a full-time trader? Do you want to work from anywhere in the world? Do you want that freedom? Do you want to help your family? Do you want to pay debt? Do you want to start a charity, a foundation? Do you want to give back to your church? Whatever it may be, develop a reason that goes a little bit beyond the money so that you have something that's going to push you through tough times. And remember, guys, when you lose a trade, you don't lose, you learn. And when you feel like you're failing, you're not failing unless you believe you are. See, I know that I've learned from my greatest failures, and it has helped me become a successful trader. So I just wanted to share those things with you briefly because I think they're important things to think about as we get started. But welcome to the family, guys. Super excited. And I would say have a 3 to 6 month minimum vision with this academy, with the DCX package, because in the beginning, it's going to be a lot of terminology. You're probably going to be practicing, playing around. But if you stay dedicated to the DCX features, the algorithm, swipe coin, all the educators, I believe that in 3 to 6 months, you can start to see crazy results. As some people learn and they start to see results in 30 days. Some people see it in the first 2 weeks. Some people, it takes a few months. Again, don't play the comparison game. Everybody has a different level of learning, a different speed that they learn. And hey, look, some people can put 8 hours a day. Some people can put 1 or 2 hours a day. So don't compare your journey to somebody else's. But let's get started. What I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm going to share my screen. And I'm literally just going to walk you through the features of the DCX platform. So first and foremost, okay, through I Am Academy, you want to make sure that you mark down your subscription so that you do not lose access. You don't want to lose swipe coin. You don't want to lose the scalper. So every 28 days, let's say you sign up on a Monday, 4 Mondays from now, AKA 28 days, or 4 Tuesdays, if it's a Tuesday you sign up, or if it's a Wednesday or Thursday, whatever day of the week you signed up, 4 weeks from that day, your subscription for IM is going to be due. You can pay that by going to www.im.academy. Just click up here, log in, use your username and password, right? You could customer IBO, username and password, log in, and you can go to shopping cart. If you're inactive, you can go to profile. There's a bunch of features there. I'm not going to log in but you manage your subscription on im.academy. Now, im.center is going to be your customer portal. This is really the hub where you're going to spend most of your time. So you have your academies here. You do have part of the DCX Academy right there. You click DCX. You're going to click start. There's also a DCX exchange handbook you can download, print it out, or just use it on your computer. It's a PDF, so it'll help you scale through the academy and the features. You have to click start, and it'll bring you to this page if you want to start going through the academy. What are digital currencies? What is a pip? Entry price, spreads, right? So you have a bunch of videos here, but I'll show you on myswipecoin.im, there's actually more videos in a second website. So this is very surface level simple here. There's actually more that I'll show you in a little bit. Now, the DCX Go Lives. Right here, you're going to see the button down in the bottom left corner that says Go Live, okay? So Go Live is where the bulk of the DCX value is taking place, okay? So what you're going to do is sometimes it'll auto log you in. Sometimes you have to go in and do it. No problem, username and password. If your subscription is active, it'll log you right in. Up here, you could choose your language. We're going to be doing this for English. And then you scroll down, you're going to find that yellow DCX banner. When you click that, okay, you're going to have certain sessions that are live, which will pop up here. You'll see the little picture in the top left corner if the person is live right now. There are 2 live sessions. Then you have 7 educators. So what you guys can do is look up here in this tab. You're going to see DCX Basics, DCX Advanced, Live Analysis, and then you're going to see All Sessions. All Sessions is going to show you, well, all the sessions for that week. So in my opinion, nothing that you're going to click on with DCX is going to be too far advanced. And if you jump on a session and you're a little bit, it's a little bit over your head, what I would recommend to do is really phase 1. And when I launch new people, this is where I tell them to start. Okay. You can go right here, click on my channel. So I'm one of the educators for DCX. You click on Jason Brown channel. You can go to favorite sessions, and the first 5 videos. So the Future is Crypto 1, Future is Crypto 2, 3, 7, and 9. They're pinned under my favorites as a 5-video course that is going to teach you literally the very basics. I tell a little bit of my story so you know who I am, why I'm teaching you, right? But I teach you about supply and demand, what really is fueling the crypto markets. The second video, we go into identifying support and resistance, trend lines, overall trend, the price, and the recap of Bitcoin over the last 12 years. The third video, the ins and outs of how to start analyzing Bitcoin. The video 7, which is video 4 in the pin section, is the breakdown of Bitcoin psychology and how to manage Bitcoin. Okay. Then video 5, is it too late? I talk about dollar cost averaging, how to enter the market, proper strategy. And then Friday Night Lights 1 and 2 are really great interviews with Kurt Cobain, who's an amazing educator on our platform, and Crypto Picasso, who is the lead cryptocurrency educator. So a lot of good stuff there. But let me just break down what to expect from each educator on these sessions. By the way, All Sessions has my sessions wrong. So you're going to see this recording and go, wait a minute, you don't do 4 sessions. No, I usually do 2 a week, Wednesdays at 6, Fridays at 6, but I'm traveling at the time I'm recording this video. So my session is temporarily on Sunday. Thinking about moving it to the weekend from Wednesday. I don't really know yet, but as of right now, my sessions are actually Wednesdays at 6, which is a really nice session. And then Friday, I bring on a guest. We do that. But anyway, Anas Hijja is the first educator you're going to see on this schedule. He trades crypto harmonics. So it's really great for intraday trades. He's looking at the markets. He's very good. Anas is one of my good friends. We've been trading together for years. I love it. Harmonics are very powerful. It's a great way to analyze the market and find out the overall trend and then what we think is going to happen with crypto in the next days and weeks. Shun Oguntusin is the next guy. On Mondays, he does an intro at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. guys, that might need to be your first session. Okay. Tuesdays and Thursdays, he teaches the swipe coin scalper. I'm going to show you the scalper. I use the scalper. He uses it. Picasso, Nick Gomez, basically everybody on the DCX team uses the scalper. And I'm going to show you in just a few minutes why it's so powerful. Then you've got Kurt Cobain. His sessions, he trades exchange. So if you guys saw my overview video, then you're going to know I talked about the different ways to make money in crypto. But if not, it's okay. You can actually learn how to trade exchange. And he's trading the altcoins. He's discovering new technology. Kurt is amazing. And you can see here on all sessions, he actually does 4 sessions a week. So he does Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and then Saturday. He does a 5 p.m. session. Now, if you click Ivan Paychecks, he actually just recorded a bunch of stuff. So he doesn't have a live set schedule, but he has a bunch of like podcast interviews with a bunch of big leaders and big earners and big traders in the marketing space inside of our company. And it's very informative. It just gives it like a round table, cool way to kind of look at crypto. So people like those, he's getting a couple thousand views a week just on the recordings alone, which is awesome. Then you have Picasso and Nick Gomez. Okay. So you guys can really take this as far as you want. I would say Picasso is intermediate to advanced. He's amazing right now. He's the lead educator. He's getting almost 20,000 views a week. All his recordings are here. This guy is the visionary with crypto. And I have so much respect for him. And Nick Gomez, one of my very, very, very great friends. His sessions are amazing. He is super technical. He breaks down Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple. He's really Ripple Nick, we call him. So you can really dive into crypto just focusing on this schedule. And just, guys, what I tell people is, book in your calendar 1 or 2 hours a day to jump on 1 or 2 sessions a day. That is the most valuable way. Just pick 1 or 2 sessions, mark it in your schedule, and just jump on and be a student. And eventually you guys are going to pick it up. People love these sessions. Very exciting. We have over 20,000 people subscribed to the DCX package around the world in different languages, just tapping in and really, really getting massive amounts of value. So that's go live. But what I wanted to show you is really your hub. And that hub for all DCX users is myswipecoin.im if you're on desktop, iPad. But you guys can also just go to your Apple Store, Android Store, and download the SwipeCoin app on your phone. So I have the app on my phone, but I also use the desktop version, myswipecoin.im. When you actually go to the website, let me log out and log back in just so you guys can see. So the website is going to give you, it's really just an overview, right? But then there's a member login, and it takes you kind of like a speakeasy to the back room where hopefully I typed in my password right. Got it. All the value is, okay? So you guys are going to see the trade ideas. So what's amazing when you subscribe to DCX is that you guys are actually going to get the swipe coin trade ideas from Picasso, Nick Gomez, and Kurt Cobain. So you're going to get 3 to 10, I would say, on average, 3 to 10 trade ideas a week on what's going to happen with Bitcoin, what's going to happen with Ripple, what's happening with some of the altcoins. Like, these are all really amazing, insightful ideas about what's coming in the markets, right? Sort of like a prediction. Okay. So MetaTrader 4 ideas are here. The next tab is your exchange ideas. So if you're trading some of the altcoins, you're trading in a broker or an exchange, then Kurt Cobain is sending out a few trades a week, usually once or twice a week. He'll send out a really good trade. And guys, if you look, Ethereum, this trade he called out was at 1665 today. It's over 1900. Ren is now trading at $1. He called out the buy at 62 cents. He just called out a trade today at $219 for KSM. Okay, so he's sending out a lot of trades. Very, very powerful stuff. And we're excited because you're getting trade ideas if you're, MetaTrader, portfolio, exchange, however you want to capitalize on the market, you're getting that value. Now, the next tab says all chats. And you've got Picasso's chat where he taps in, you tap into Picasso's brain. I love that. the MetaTrader 4 chat. So if there's a trade ID on MetaTrader 4, you can follow the updates in the MT4 chat thread. The exchange chat, same thing. If Kurt sends a trade through exchange, you can follow through with that. The scalper chat, again, I'm going to show you the scalper in a minute, but it's a way to follow through. And then Crypto Talks. Also, you have results. So we have an entire tab with all the marketing flyers that share the results of the swipe coin trade ideas and the swipe coin scalper. So you guys can see the results that this team has been producing for months and months and months. And again, past results don't guarantee future results. So we can't say, hey, look, we've done this in the past, we can guarantee it in the future. Results, are day to day. We're going to take it day by day, but our job is to provide consistent value to help you guys really capitalize. Now, the next tab is videos, and there's a little drop-down menu here that allows you to select the language. There's another tab that allows you to go fast start, crypto fundamentals, or advanced. So this is another resource for videos and education. You guys can see here the swipe coin scalper training video is here. So again, I'm going to show you the scalper as we wrap this training up, but you've got the swipe coin app, an overview of it. And then it gets into some trading videos, support, resistance, trend lines, candles and time frames, momentum, moving averages, Fibonacci, So that is an overview of myswipecoin.im. And last but not least, we have the icing on the cake. So far, you guys have seen the Academy. You've seen all the live mentorship and recorded mentorship on Go Live. And now you've seen SwipeCoin, the app, and the myswipecoin.im website. But what I'm going to show you to wrap this up is the SwipeCoin scalper. This is an algorithm. Guys, this is extremely impressive. I did not trade with this up until about 5 or 6 months ago. And I literally do not enter any position with Bitcoin or Ethereum without it. Okay, so the SwipeCoin scalper, it's a 20-minute video that shows you exactly what to do. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Picasso made that video to walk you through it. And you've got 4 things. Here on the right side over here, you have Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you click Ethereum, it's going to change the chart and show you, guys, look at the buy it called on Ethereum just yesterday, February 17th. It called this buy, and the buy was at Ethereum is at 1771, and today it's at 1943, approaching $2,000 per Ethereum. But guys, look at all the trades. This is just from the month of February. What you see on the screen is literally, let's go. Just the month of February, you have probably 50 or so trades, and the time of this recording, it's February 18th. So think about it. You guys are getting probably 3 trades a day with Ethereum. Bitcoin, same thing. Very, very, very powerful. And it's calling out a lot of the big moves. You see the buy back here, this sell down here, this buy here. It does call out some of the choppier, smaller moves that are maybe only moving, $300 to $500, but it's been calling out also, like, look at this, from 47,000 up to 48,800, from 48,000 up to 50. Like, these are some of the bigger moves. So guys, between the SwipeCoin scalper, SwipeCoin itself, and the trade ideas, the Go Live sessions with all the different educators, and the Academy, you have such an amazing foundation to really jump into the cryptocurrency world and start crushing it. So guys, welcome to DCX. I wanted to make a simple video just welcoming you, walking you through it so you know exactly what to do and how to capitalize on this platform. Your mentors are waiting for you on Go Live. Your algorithms waiting for you with the scalper, and your trade ideas are waiting for you with the SwipeCoin app. Welcome to the team, guys. Welcome to the family. Stay plugged in, stay consistent, and we'll see you at the top.